top of the phone.
Group and Pure Allen.
What does that mean?
Group and Pure. Group leader.
Oh,
The
thank you.
Pure.
That's insulting. Don't say
Yeah,
that.
Group and Pure.
Okay.
We don't mean it that
I
way.
guess I'll grow out a mustache.
There you go. A pencil. Just do some crappy drawings.
What is this?
This is Galax. It has a
Galax.
rather plasticky, artificial look to it, but
It's a mountain flower, obviously. Galax, Virginia, where stuff about family is. The Messiah. I'll be the Messiah too. I would like to be the Messiah. Messiah S. Messiah. Messianic.
I feel like I'm wearing a hat.
It's a very
Nice.
special tropical hat.
Go ahead. Scott, show us how it's done, okay?
She's showing us.
Here's my first bear sighting. Oh, that's Scott. Look at Hillary. She's walking like she owns the world.
Do I not?
Here I go. Got it. Who's next?
This one's hard?
For little people. Oh, you're doing straddling. Come on, Hillary. Give us what you got, okay? You're from Birmingham.
I don't give up what I got.
You've been through worse.
That's not true.
She knows.
I was thinking along Mary's line. That's good.
And I've known her way longer than you.
Wait.
I can barely handle the month I've known her.
She got the goods on me. And the bad.